What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, TeacherKevinPH, and we are back with another video. Hi there everyone! Well, it's me, Teacher Kevin, at sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin, ako po ay isang teacher na naka-base dito sa Philippines. Ako po ay isang English teacher at the same time, computer teacher. Kung first time mong dumalaw sa aking YouTube channel, huwag mo nang kakalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell. Ako ay nag-upload ng mga educational videos such as computer tutorials, tech tips at marami pang iba. At bago tayo magpatuloy, ako ay mag-iiwan lang ng munting kataga na if you are given the opportunity to learn, grab it. Maraming salamat, magandang araw at magandang buhay. Alright, as you can see my dear friends, I'm already in the workspace of OBS right now. And today we're gonna be fixing this one big problem that a lot of us often encounter. That is lag problems, hanging problems, my videos not working well. Oh my, how am I going to fix it, Teacher Kevin? Well, we got some remedies for your problems, and today that must have been resolved. We're going to solve your problem in this video, okay? Forgive me or pardon because I'm going to use my display capture device to record this video. Before anything else, if this is your first time to visit my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm always uploading video tutorials about computers, tutorials, and more. Alright, so without further ado, let's do this one. Okay, my dear friends, we are now in OBS and we're just going to simply manipulate the settings, the things that we need to touch here to make our videos run smoothly or to produce outstanding videos even if you are just using a low spec PC. Proceed here in settings, my dear friends. Then there you go. Alright, the next one, the only two things that we will touch here is of course the output, the video, and the advanced. Alright? But just a simple tip, my dear friends, make sure that in recording your video without touching the settings of OBS, first thing that you need to consider, make sure that your storage for your videos has enough space. If there's no enough space, then definitely OBS will hang, OBS will lag. Okay, without much ado, let's start in output. What the next? Output, then let's scroll this one down. What is the best resolution or scale for our output here? One of the best thing that I've experienced here is this 512 by 288. No matter what it is, just try this. If it will work, thank me later. All right? Then hit apply and hit OK. The next again, let's proceed to settings. We're not yet done with that. Proceed to video. Based canvas or resolution. If you're going to turn this one 1360 by 768, definitely a low spec PC will hang. Even in 920 by 1080. So the lowest resolution possible that we may use here if we are using low spec PC is this 1280 by 720. I'll choose this one. There you go. Then hit OK. Right? Then next again, let's proceed to settings. And here we may choose different options now. Okay? I'm currently using 728 by 410. But this is the only way for you to fix that lag and hanging problems in OBS. To adjust its resolution or the output scaled resolution. Okay? You may choose to the lowest, of course, lower spec, of course, lower pixel, lower quality of the video. So you need to try all these resolutions or scales, and later on you will see if what particular resolution will work on your PC. Mine, I cannot do 1024. I can only choose 728 as the minimum. Apply and OK, then you're good to go. That's it, my dear friends. It's all about resolution matters. Again, go to settings, then video, resolution, base canvas, and output resolution. Thank me if this one will work. Thank you so much. Hope you've learned something, and see you next time.